Rewrite each product below using the distributive property. Then simplify to find your answer. The directions are saying we're going to be finding product, which is the result of multiplication, and then we need to use distributive property. So the distributive property is where we separate the numbers into different place value numbers, and then we find area model. So based on the number, we could have different, like we can have 3-digit number times 1 digit and so on. So finding actual area. So in this video, I'm going to do example B, and you can do A and C on your own. So I'm going to rewrite it on my paper. So leave some space for example A, if you're going to watch B with me. So we have 6 times 3,405. So if I'm going to be splitting, there's nothing to split with the 6. It's only 1-digit number. So this will be my length. I'm going to say times, and I'm going to split. So 3 is in the place of the 1,000. So I'm going to write 3,000. 4 is in the place of the 100. So I'm going to write plus 400. Okay, 0 is in the place of the tenths. So if I really want to write something, I should write 0, but that's in the place of the tenths. Then the last one is plus 5. Now when we are adding, we don't count the 0, so I'm just going to cross it out. So what I'm looking is, I'm going to make the length out of 3 area spaces, and then the width will be 1 area space, which is 6. I'm going to go 1 by 3. So we're going to have 3,000. We're going to have the 400 and then the 5. So we're going to be distributing with the 6. So let's separate and show our work. Okay, so remember we're using multiplication, and after that we're going to simplify using adding those areas. So looking for the first one, so we have length of 3,000 times 6. So let's show work. So we have, so 3,000 times 6. So I'm going to go 3 times 6 is 18. And then I have 3 zeros to carry over. So that's 18,000. Go ahead and do your next multiplication. So length times width by showing work. Same with that. And then your next step is whatever you found for those numbers. Let me see if I color code. We would add all of them together. So I'm going to line them up vertically. So 18,000. And whatever that red number is, you're going to line it up. And then whatever that number is, line it up. So you're adding all of them to find the final product as a sum technically. So that's when you want to simplify, and that will be the answer to your problem. So go ahead and do pause the video. You could check your answer with a calculator, but we do want you to show work using the distributive property. So do A and C on your own.